So good evening. Welcome to this first lecture on this transport series. This is a TRIP, which is Transportation Research and Injury Prevention Program at IIT Delhi, is doing this in collaboration with India Habitat Center. And there are, as you have seen in the pamphlet, there are 6 of these lectures which are being scheduled. The first 2 dates we have decided, and for the remaining 4, you will get information. Usually it will be in the last week of the month. And the idea behind this series is that we would like to discuss with all stakeholders, because transport really involves everybody, every citizen. What are the issues and how, through the discussion, if we can come up with what can be done to improve various aspects of transport. And the first one we are starting with discussion on master plan. What is, because as we know that city design and transport are very closely related. It is really the kind of city vision, what kind of city do we want, ends up deciding what kind of transport we are going to have in the city. How inclusive it is it meeting the needs of all different users and citizens in the city? So with this brief introduction, and I didn't tell you who I am Geetam Tiwari from IIT Delhi. I welcome you, and in the today we have requested Professor K.T. Ravindran to chair this session. Professor Ravindran, may I request you to please come on the dais? Professor Ravindran, many of you may know, has been Chairman Delhi Urban Arts Commission and also at School of Planning and Architecture for a very long time, heading urban design. And so Professor Ravindran will tell us a little bit about his understanding and experience of master plan. And then may I ask the other 2 speakers also to join us on the dais. Dunu Roy represents, he is Director, Hazard Center, that is a civil society group working with grassroots communities in Delhi, and they had prepared, I recall one time, an alternate master plan for Delhi. And our third speaker today is Anjali Agarwal, who is Director, Samarthyam. This is an organization for several years now. They have been working tirelessly in the city for making all public places accessible. So we will have short presentations first, highlighting some key issues, and we want this to not to be actually a lecture series. This should be more in terms of in the form of discussion. So we encourage all of you to ask questions after the short presentations. At that time, we have a couple of other experts also who have dealt with master plan issues in Delhi and in other cities. I will request them also to join us on the dais. Thank you. Kate.
Good evening, everyone. It's really nice to see a very good cross-section of people here, from the very young, new professionals to very senior people like Mr. Singhal, who's right here. And also to see that there are not just professionals, but there are also other people who are actually interested in the city who are here. And the function of doing something like this in a public forum is in fact to include people who are not necessarily with only the professional vision, but also to have people who are engaged with a sense of well-being that the city has to offer. Now, we have with us Dunu Roy, who is a very old friend of mine. In fact, I am privileged to be sitting with him. We have known each other for 30 odd years. Dunu is originally a technologist by training, but then has been working with people right from the beginning when he graduated in the 60s. From that time onwards, he's been working with people in various locations.